Well, here you have it. Another milestone mileage update. We're at 90,000. Hey everybody, welcome back to Truck Central. Hope you had a happy new year. I'm Mr. Justin Wheeler and this is the 2019 Ram 1500 Limited High Mileage Edition. As you saw, we just hit the 90,000 mile mark and overall things are still working great. We've had a few surprises, but all in all things are good. This is going to be more of a quick update and kind of let you guys know what we're working on video. I'm going to save all the new and recent changes or observations with the truck, overall feelings about what I like, what I'm not liking right now. I'm going to save those until the 100,000 mile review video. That'll be coming out shortly. Also, we are working on a fairly comprehensive and exhaustive fuel efficiency MPG analysis video where I am taking multiple 30, 50, 100, and 400 mile trips with different variables and different controls to see what is actually achievable, what can you actually expect to get. And also what I've seen is the aero mode actually makes a difference. And I know that probably seems like common sense, but to me it seemed a little gimmicky. At least I didn't expect it to make enough of a difference to be, you know, worth using. 18.1. I am very surprised. I don't know how that's possible. What I'm seeing is the air ride system might actually pay for itself in fuel savings when you're in aero mode, just in the difference of increased MPGs. So that's not 100% certain yet. Like I said, I'm still going through the numbers, but I will let you know as soon as that's ready and as soon as that video is ready to post. We've also had a handful of requests for towing videos, and that is coming. I do use this truck to pull trailers quite a bit, but to date, or recently anyway, I haven't had a real good opportunity to kind of show off what this truck can do. So nothing really worth showing yet, but I've got a trip planned for a week or two from now where we'll really see this thing flex its muscles and show you guys what it's capable of. And if you've been paying attention in the last couple videos, you might be expecting what surprise I have in store for you. Got a little secret out back that you guys probably want to see because I'm pretty excited about it. In addition to that, I've got a really good and informative cost of ownership video that I'm working on. And in that video, I break down what the truck actually costs, what I pay monthly, what I pay to maintain it, and what its value is today. Essentially breaking down what is potential resale value look like. What does it cost for every mile that I drive this? When you go and look at a truck and you see its sticker price, you don't always know what that translates to on a monthly level, or how the resale is going to be, you know, 1, 2, 4, 5 years down the road. And because I'm accelerating the devaluation of this truck, I'm getting a jump start on realizing what potential resale value is. So I may even run into a dealership and let them see what trade-in's going to be, and not just Kelley Blue Book it, you know, real life information. Real good stuff coming. If you're not already subscribed, please do. You'll be updated whenever we post these new videos. And as always, if you have any thoughts or suggestions for future content, please leave it down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.